back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make a really simple pasta salad with egg, cheese and tuna. We've got some other little veggies in there. Super easy. Let's not waste any time. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a quick look at what we're going to be using. Cooked pasta, anything you like. I'm using this kind of very small fusilli, but choose one that you like. Some cucumber, tomatoes, and I've got some bell peppers there. 1 can of tuna, some grated cheddar or mozzarella, up to you. A couple of hard-boiled eggs, some parsley, and some mayonnaise. Pretty much we're going to just throw this in a bowl, mix it together. Let's go and do that. Okay, so we've got a mixing bowl there, and I've got all my pasta in. We're going to start off by, let's put our egg in. As you can see, I've just chopped that hard-boiled egg. Let's get some cheese in there. But you can be using any type of cheese that you wanted. Our tuna can go in. Let's get some parsley in there. Now you could be putting in a different herb if you wanted. Our veggies, so tomatoes, cucumbers and some bell pepper I've got. A little bit of onion might be nice, a little bit of chopped garlic, a little bit of chilli. There you go. I'm just going to hit this with some black pepper. I'm not adding salt to this because of the mayo. It's going to be salty enough, I think. I am now going to put in a little bit of hot sauce, maybe like a sort of Tabasco or something. That's optional. Okay, and then our mayonnaise. Now I'm not putting a great deal in. I don't want it completely smothered in the mayo. That's it. We're going to give this a mix. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, and there you go. Really, really easy. Play around with that a little bit. Maybe some sweet corn in there or something like that. Some other different vegetables. Some green onions maybe. Really simple, great little lunch thing. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we will see you soon. Lots of love.